Alright, here's a look at the Solar Motion security light here, LED by Beacon. So it's got some specs on here. Looks like it's going to be crazy bright. And, okay, so here's the product label if you need it. And nice little thank you card. Instructions here. Definitely need some reading glasses for those, but hopefully will be rather straightforward. Frequently asked questions on the back. So that would be our solar panel. So very light, some pretty sturdy there. Some mounting hardware. Let's see. Pretty nicely packed in there. The light unit. So mounting mechanism, motion sensor. And 3 heads that seem to swivel nicely. Should have some good coverage on that. So let me take a look at the manual and try to get it hooked up. Alright, so here's a closer look at the panel. And so we're going to mount it screw holes there, and it can be adjusted there and swiveled to get it in the right direction. There's that. Alright, so under the light unit, got the on-off switch, so we can go from on to off to auto mode. So turn it on there to do testing, and auto would be, having it motion detecting at night only. You can control how long the light stays on after motion, so 2 minutes down to a minute, half a minute, or just leave it on for testing mode, and then sensitivity low, medium, high. So I don't know where I'm going to put that to start, but we will, start in medium and go from that. And then on the back here, the mounting plate to mount, and then slide it on there. Batteries are already pre-installed, so I didn't open that up to take a look. But let me mount the plate on here, and then the unit will just hang on that. And obviously all the lights, you can loosen the swivel on or tighten that once you get it set. I guess it's there, so we can rotate that up and down, side to side, to point that in the right direction. And the similarly, the lights here swivel, and obviously all kinds of adjustments on there. So should be nice. Let's get it mounted. Alright, so here's a look at it mounted. Up there, just put the plate on and slip it down on there. I don't have the panel permanently mounted up there because I want to just test everything is good first. Make sure that works, because I'm not sure I'm actually going to leave this light right here think I'm gonna put a separate post and put it somewhere else, because as you can see I have some plants growing around here and that's just gonna be a pain, but just wanted to test it sort of first and go from there. Alright, so here I am about dusk, twilight, whatever you want to call it, getting almost kind of dark. A little bit of, and there we go. So that's medium sensitivity and just me. And set it on the, I think 2-minute timer, so it's probably gonna stay on for a little bit. But casting a pretty good range here. Probably could angle it a little higher, but covering a good bit here. Alright, so I'm going to do another test here. On high sensitivity, I'm about 60 feet away, although the sensor is kind of pointing a little bit this direction, so I'm going to kind of walk, and there we are. I'm over 50 feet away, and the light is on, and you can see all the junk waiting, the scrap metal guy there in my driveway, but there we go. So works at a pretty good distance. Again, lighting up the area here really well, and very happy with the product.